Hello everyone, in this tutorial also we'll continue with regex patterns. First we'll see what is multiline. Here in this documentation you can see by default the caret symbol and $$ will work with only single line string. We need to give the flag multiline for this to support the multiline pattern matching. We'll look into the documentation of the caret symbol here. So this will matches at the start of the string, and in multi-line mode this can match after each new line, and same way here this $ symbol also is having the support of single line. And here I have one string, single line string, which is dz01 indr1, and to match that I have a pattern here. So it is starting with caret symbol and I'm giving letter D and it will match here. After that dot plus, so it will go till the end, and in the end I'm giving a 1, so it will match with this, and this should be able to match with this single line string. And I'm doing search, find all and find iter, and for the find iter I'm doing a for loop. So we'll try running this script. So here I am able to get the match. It is a single line string, so I am able to get the match using this caret and $ symbol. So you can see for the search I am getting the span and match details, and for the find all I am getting output in a list, and find iter after for loop I am getting the data. And now we will try to convert this into a multi-line string. I'll use this new string instead of the single line string. Here we have 3 lines of data with different DC information. Now we'll try running this. So now we are not getting any data. So now we need to enable multi-line. And here I have another script with multi-line enabled. So we need to enable multi-line using this flag re.multiline. And here also pattern is same, and string is this multi-line string I am giving. So we'll try running this. So here now this is matching with multi-line. In the search we'll be always getting the first match, so I'm getting the first match dc01 indr1, and in the find all I'm getting output in a list, and for find iter after this for loop I'm getting all the 3 iterated data. Now we'll see what is /a and /z. We'll go to the documentation. So here /a will match only at the start of the string. So now with caret and $ we are getting multi-line output, but we'll try to replace this caret with /a. I'll press Ctrl R and I'll replace this caret symbol with /a. And I'll replace, we'll try running this. So now we are getting only the first output, because /a will read only from the beginning of the line or a string, and we'll revert the changes, and we'll try replacing this $ symbol with /z. I'll give $. /z. So we'll try running this. So here now we are getting only the last data, and here in this documentation we should be able to see. So /z matches only at the end of the string, and I'll comment this. Now we'll see what is /b and capital B. So small b matches only at the beginning or end of a word. So that means I have to give it in this way. I have a re.compile object here, my pattern, and here I am giving /b and the word Cisco. We'll try running this. And now this is matching at the span 0 to 5. So it is taking from beginning, and if I give some character here and we'll try running, now this won't match because this is not at the beginning. And if I try removing this and giving /b here, now this will match at the end. And same way the /B will not match at the beginning or end, it should be in the middle. The word should be in the middle. So I'll give capital B here, and if I try running, now it is taking this word because it is starting from the middle. And if I try giving some letter here, so now it is taking this word. So the character should not be in the beginning. Now we'll see this. Here I already have a compile object, and so here for this letter O I'm giving, so how many times this can repeat. So I'm saying here it can repeat from 2 to 5 times, and we'll do a search on this particular string using this object. So we'll try running. So it is matching with this, but if you try removing one O from here and if you try running this, so we'll get none because this is expecting 2 to 5 occurrences of this character. I'll give 4 times and I'll try running this, and now this is matching. And same thing we have seen when we looked into email parsing, and here this / for the escape characters we can use /. Here I have created an object with /* and /n. These are some of the special characters in Regex, and we'll try reading our version output file. So here I am reading that file, 𝗏version.txt. Now we don't have any star character in this file. We'll try running this. So we are getting none, and we'll try adding here one star, and this is going to be even the end of the line. So this will match with /* and /n. So let us try running this. So now this is matching with this line. You can see the span. So in this way you can use the slash and ignore case for doing the caseless comparison. Here this is the pattern, so the pattern is in small letter and the actual string is having capital H, and we are doing RE.I. I means it will be doing ignore case. We'll try running this. So it is finding the match. If we try removing this RE.I, so we are getting none. So in this way you can do the caseless comparison using regex. And by default dot matches any character except new line. Here this is our pattern, so hello.hello, and here we are comparing two flags. One is dot all. If we explicitly give dot all, this will try to dot even the slash n, so it will convert the slash n into a dot. And here in addition to that we are doing even a ignore case. So here we have capital H, so that also will get matched. We'll try running this. So now it is getting matched. If we don't give that, so we'll get none. And same way match will match only from the beginning of the string. So here I have a string ABCD 1 2 3 4. It is starting with ABCD here, but my pattern is 1 2 3 4 and I am trying to do a match with that. So we'll try running this. And it is not matching. But if I try giving this ABCD, this will match, because match will always match in the beginning of the string. I'll comment this, and now we'll see the search. Search will only look for the first occurrence. It doesn't have to be in the beginning. Even it can take from the middle. You can see here. So if you do search, it can even take from the middle. And full match can compare only the exact string. So here the string is ABCD 1 2 3 4 and ABCD, same thing we are giving here. So we'll try doing full match, and that also is getting matched here. And same way sub will change the value. For example, here this capital V I am replacing with Vx, and we have seen that using string methods also. So we'll try running this. Now this will convert all the capital V into Vx. You can see here VXLAN 100 and VXLAN 200. And same way SUBN will give even the number, how many places this has replaced. So we'll try running this. So this will be giving a tuple 3, because in 3 places this has replaced the value. These are some of the regex pattern logics.